Hi YouTube. Today is July 3rd, 2010. Tomorrow is the 4th of July. It's nighttime. I live on the east side of Long Beach, and I don't know if it's firecrackers or gunshots around here. All I hear is pow, pow, pow every 3 minutes. Like, come on now. Gosh, it's scaring me. I'm at home by myself and stuff. Like, what am I supposed to expect? Do I get down or do I look out the window? Am I trying to see the firecrackers or hide from gunshots? Can you hear it? Okay, they're over. I don't know if people are getting shot. I don't know if people are enjoying fireworks. But can't they just wait till tomorrow so maybe I could be a little bit more sure? Isn't this illegal anyways? I mean, like, come on now. Wait until you got a couple of more minutes. It's 11:38. All you gotta do is wait a couple of more minutes until the 4th of July. Ah! Yeah. The 4th of July. The 4th of July. The 4th of July. Okay, anyways. Yeah. So, I'm terrified. Terrified. Ah, look at my teeth. Ah. Yeah, but yeah, I am scared though, like, for real. Good night. Pray for me.